Getting started with carbon accounting for the finance industry. We're going to talk about the basics of carbon accounting, and then how it applies to the finance industry, and how you can reach your net zero goals and achieve sustainability. Let's start with what is carbon accounting? Carbon accounting is the process of measuring and tracking greenhouse gas emissions, abbreviated greenhouse gas, GHG. They're produced directly and indirectly by an organization. This practice is crucial for understanding your company's carbon footprint and identifying areas where emissions can be reduced. As the importance of reducing carbon emissions continues to grow, understanding and implementing carbon accounting is becoming increasingly essential. There are 3 types of carbon emissions, and they are categorized as Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3. Scope 1 are the direct emissions from sources owned or controlled by your organization. In the finance industry, this might include emissions from fuel, combustion in office buildings, and those for operating diesel generators, mobile combustion from company-owned vehicles, process emissions, and emissions from sources like refrigerants. Scope 2 are indirect emissions resulting from the generation of purchased electricity, steam, heating, and cooling that our organization consumes. Typically, this involves energy supplied by a utility company. And Scope 3. These are indirect emissions that occur within your organization's value chain. This includes emissions from investments, franchises, procurement, business travel, employee commutes, and waste management. Essentially, these are emissions from activities not directly owned or controlled by your organization. So, why is carbon accounting important for the finance industry? Well, the finance industry plays a pivotal role in the global economy and has a significant impact on the environment through its investment and operational activities. So if you implement carbon accounting, you can have numerous benefits. The first is regulatory compliance. You'll ensure that you're adhering to environmental regulations and avoiding potential fines and legal issues. The second is risk management. If you can identify and mitigate environmental risks within investment portfolios and business operations, you'll be able to manage risk. Enhanced reputation. You can demonstrate a commitment to sustainability, improving your public image, and relationships with stakeholders. The next is a sustainable investment. If you integrate ESG, environmental social governance criteria, into your investment decisions, then you'll be making sustainable investments. There are some additional benefits, such as helping you achieve your net zero goals and having a strategy to do that. You'll also have data-driven decisions if you use accurate emissions data to make informed decisions and strategic plans. You can appeal to environmentally conscious clients and investors, which will make you more competitive in the market. For compliance reporting, you can simplify the process of generating transparent and comprehensive reports for stakeholders and regulatory bodies. You can also gain operational efficiency by improving your energy efficiency and reducing operational costs. The last one is corporate responsibility. You can contribute to global efforts against climate change and support environmental sustainability initiatives. So how to get started with carbon accounting? The first step is to understand your emission sources. So identify the primary sources of emissions from within your operations. This includes fuel combustion, purchased electricity, emissions from business travel, and the carbon footprint of your investment portfolios. The next step is to gather data. Collect data on fuel usage, electricity consumption, travel, and investments. Accurate data collection is essential for precise carbon accounting. Utilize tools and software that facilitate data integration and management. The next step is to calculate the emissions. There are established methodologies and standards, such as the GHG protocol, and to calculate your emissions, you may want to use Sustainium's platform. Our platform supports various methods, including spend-based, activity-based, and hybrid approaches, which ensure accurate measure and save you considerable time. Once you have those emissions calculated, you can set reduction targets. Based on your emissions data, you can set realistic and achievable reduction targets. This might involve switching to renewable energy sources, optimizing energy use, or selecting sustainable investments. There are also two more steps, and that is you can develop and implement strategies to reduce your carbon footprint. This could include energy efficiency improvements, transitioning to renewable energy, optimizing your business travel, and integrating ESG criteria into investment decisions. The last step is to monitor and report. You can regularly monitor emissions and track progress towards reduction targets. Our platform, Sustainium, can help you generate transparent and comprehensive reports for stakeholders, investments, and regulatory bodies. So there are some challenges around carbon accounting. And the first one is complexity of investment portfolios. So we know that financial institutions manage a diverse set of portfolios with varying degrees of environmental impact. This makes it really challenging to accurately assess and account for the carbon footprint of each investment. Gathering comprehensive emissions data from portfolio companies and then ensuring consistency in reporting across different sectors and regions can be complex. Another challenge is data quality. So accurate carbon accounting requires reliable and comprehensive data on emissions from various sources, including your direct operations and your investments. Financial institutions often struggle with data gaps, inconsistent data quality, and the need to collect information from multiple sources. Sustainium, our platform, can aid you in data integration and management, ensuring high quality, accurate data collection from multiple sources and supporting standardized methodologies for emissions calculation. And the last one is regulatory compliance. The finance industry faces increasing regulatory pressure to disclose environmental impacts and comply with sustainability reporting standards. Keeping up with evolving regulations and ensuring compliance can be resource intensive and complex, especially for global organizations. Sustainium can help you stay ahead of regulatory changes by providing tools for accurate reporting and compliance management, and reduce the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. So you might be asking, why use carbon accounting software? Well, there's an enhanced risk management. So carbon accounting software can identify and mitigate environmental risks within investment portfolios and business operations, helping your organization manage potential financial and reputational risks. By understanding the carbon footprint of your investments, you can make more informed decisions, steering clear of high risk, high emission assets, and reducing exposure to environmental liabilities. The second benefit is that you can boost operational efficiency and reduce costs. Carbon accounting software identifies opportunities to enhance energy efficiency and cut operational costs through better resource management. You can optimize energy use in office buildings, reduce travel-related emissions, and adopt energy-efficient technologies, leading to significant cost savings and a smaller environmental footprint. You can also promote sustainable investments. So the software facilitates the integration of ESG criteria into investment decisions, ensuring that your portfolios align with sustainability goals and attract eco-conscious investors. Our platform offers detailed insights into the sustainability performance of portfolio companies, enabling your organization to make investment choices that support long-term value creation and meet investor demands for sustainable options. There are also some additional benefits, including time savings and improved focus. The software reduces the time spent on acquiring data and performing complex calculations, allowing financial institutions to focus more on strategic growth and portfolio management. The organization will spend less time on manual data collection and more on making strategic investment decisions, which improves overall efficiency. There's a seamless integration with existing systems. So Sustainium, our AI-based platform, integrates easily with current data collection and management systems. It also accesses the latest emission factors from multiple sources. This really allows for centralized multi-site management. So you can report across multiple office locations, saving cost, time, and effort. So there's no reason for each branch and office to do their own. So it can really decrease the cost there. Annual cost savings. The software saves money by annually reducing the need for expensive consulting services, internal resource development, and custom systems for different sites. Ensuring compliance with reporting standards. So the platform makes sure that you adhere to the key principles of carbon reporting, including relevancy, completeness, and consistency, accuracy, and transparency. So you can confidently meet stringent reporting standards, maintain transparency with stakeholders, and ensure regulatory compliance with minimal effort. And the last one is enhanced decision making. If you have accurate carbon data, then you can empower better strategic planning and decision making. So the benefits of using carbon accounting software, and I've mentioned Sustainium a few times. Sustainium is our solution that is a comprehensive carbon accounting platform. It's designed to simplify the process for financial institutions. So our platform includes greenhouse gas emissions measurement. So you can use spend-based, activity-based, or hybrid methods for accurate carbon accounting. Environmental and impact reporting. So you can have transparent reporting to stakeholders. You can also have carbon footprint reduction and identify cost savings opportunities and provide insights for operational streamlining. So implementing carbon accounting in the finance industry is about more than just compliance. It's about taking proactive steps towards a sustainable future. By understanding and managing your carbon footprint, you can make a significant contribution to the fight against climate change, while also benefiting from operational efficiencies, improved stakeholder relations, and sustainable investment opportunities. So Sustainium is here to support you every step of the way. We are providing the tools and expertise needed to navigate the complexities of carbon accounting and help you make informed decisions to achieve your sustainability goals. So you can visit our website at sustainium.io or contact us, and we'll be happy to meet with you and help you with your strategy.